Hello everybody. So last time we were expecting a serious snowstorm. I tried filming it from the window up there to capture how kind of snow forms and falls and accumulates, and you know, I had high hopes for that video. Didn't work out. Thank you, several of you watched it, and actually I got more views than I thought it would. So today just came back from the store and we're expecting a lot more snow. So probably another 7 to 10 inches. So you can kind of see the remnants of the previous snowstorm, which is, I think, from about 5-6 days ago. Most of the stuff actually melted off because, you know, we had some above freezing, and it's technically above freezing right now. So today I'm hoping to capture what falls out of there. Hopefully it will be 7 to 9 inches, like expected, because I'm trying to get my giant, epic video out there. And I know a lot of you also commented, oh, why didn't you move? Well, you know, that's a good question, but way back when, sometime in the 70s or maybe early 80s, some distant relatives came to the US from former USSR, and they all kind of settled here. And I'm sorry, I didn't mean to film this dump, but that's kind of where all the snow is piled in. But yeah, they settled in Chicago, and kind of then the next generation came, and then we came in the mid-90s. So yeah, so here we are. I'm not planning on moving. I mean, I enjoy the snow, actually. I don't mind. Yeah, driving in it is probably not the best, but you know, so far it worked out. You know, for every bad snowstorm we have, you know, we don't have tornadoes, at least where I live in the northern portion of the state. We don't have hurricanes here. We don't really have floods of where I am. So yeah, this is home. So I'm not really dreading the snow. I'm interested in it and kind of want to film it. I also kind of see that this Solara got abandoned here. Now somebody did clean off the snow off of it, or maybe it melted off by itself. But I also noticed, I know this is a neighbor of mine. They bought a new Camry, but it looks like they just abandoned it. Like they're not driving it. They're just kind of sitting there. Registration has been expired since last May. Maybe I got to talk to him about that, because I know like they used it as a daily driver. So I wonder kind of what's happening with it. Oh, okay. Well, actually, the snow is starting to fall. So, all right. Hopefully this time around, it will be epic. All right, here we go. Capturing a big snowstorm in northern Illinois, and hopefully I can hook it up so you guys can see it fall on this town car.